Bleepers, how the devil are you? Do you like my sunglasses? Do you like my sunglasses, guys?
Yeah, they're cool.
£1.50. It's rude. There you go, hold on. Right. Look at this motley crew. Right, Dave, we've got Mark, Luke, Matthew, half of the biblical story. We're going to go metal detecting today. We're on the field. This field here is amazing. Just you fool! We're on a Roman road, and right next to us, I believe, over that distance bit, is a Roman fortress, isn't it? Ish. There's Roman fortresses everywhere where we live. My voice is like loud because there's traffic and it's really, really windy, and I'm slightly wonky. That's cool though. That's called a Dutch angle, if you didn't know, in media terms, a Dutch angle, or just tilting the camera a little bit. Right, this is the field where Mark had that sovereign, and we're going to have the same luck again today, aren't we, guys?
Bloody hope so.
Mark's going to have the same luck again today. Let's go. Alrighty then, it's a bit of a crotal bell. The top of a crotal bell. So in this instance, it's a cr. I wish it was whole. Yeah, I've got no idea what that is. Oh, come on, G-Max, I know you've got it in you. I've found so much rubbish and so much iron. Loves iron, didn't you, baby? And then again, most metal detectors do. But there's a lot of rubbish here. I should have brought the C-scope out and 6MX because I know it's better on rubbish. But anyway, I thought I'd go for this because I wanted that gold, so I wanted a little bit more depth. Don't know what that is. I think it's just a nothing of nothingness. Ah! All right, then that button there tricked me. I saw gold gilding on it, but it was gold gilding of nothingness. Eat my soul! All right, so Matt is using the 4MX today. It's got a good signal here, a rather lovely tone of yesness. I've gone over that with the G-Max as well, one sec. And it is also a tone of yesness. Go on then, me old mucker. Get in there and see what you can find. This is Matt's spade, entering the earth, from where Matt came from. Uh-oh.
That sounds like a plough blade.
Sounds like a plough blade. Sounds like something big and heavy and... Oh, no, that's a bit of flint. Let's persevere and stay positive. Hold on, let me go in there with my little diddly doodah. Still working, by the way, if anybody's interested. Okay, it's there, at depth. Any old iron, any old iron, any old iron. You liars, both of you. That's interesting there. Really interesting, that. I was just saying to Matt, it looks like ye olde tyre valve. But it's not, it's metal, obviously. Probably, I don't know actually. I don't know what that is. Matt's got a signal. What you got, brother?
It's a shell, sir.
A shell?
Brass.
Yeah. Rightio then. That was a really nice signal. We tried it with both machines. It is a button, or as my friend the Grim Bleeper would say, a bouton. Right there. I'm not going to nick that because it's out of order. But there you go. Button. Oh, that's interesting. As you can see, that was an old brooch or a button in a previous life.
That looks really old.
It does look very, very old, doesn't it? I'm not sure. The shape suggests floral. Oh, there's some design down there, look. That's interesting. I have to give that a proper clean up when I get home. Now, I think that's the top of a crotal bell. My heart went for a bit there because I thought it might have been a matrix seal. It still might be a matrix seal. So I'm going to give it a quick clean up. Mark has confirmed that that is indeed a matrix seal. Oh my God.
Did you see the detail?
Yeah, I can see the detail. I'm so happy. I can't figure out what it is, but Mark's pointed out green enamel and red enamel on either side. I can't see, he said he saw a bird, but I can't see.
It's a split.
Something.
You've got a divide up the middle.
It's something, isn't it? Oh my God, that is amazing. Right then, everybody give me their addresses and I'll write you loads of letters and I'll seal it in wax. Yes! So Millie's made this for me. Look at this.
That was 3 months ago, Neil.
3 months ago. Well, everything's been cropped, mate. That's why we haven't seen each other. But addicted to beats, you spelt the name wrong, but I'll forgive you for that, man.
Well, I enjoy the videos, so will others.
Thank you. Yeah, I think some people do. Some people do enjoy them. Videos, films for your information and entertainment. Go to YouTube, better texting tips, how to go or not to go, as it happens, videos, local... Yeah, it's just lovely, man. Thanks for that. I really appreciate it. You actually made it with your own hands as well.
Crack on when we had the bacon and eggs.
Yeah, I missed them, didn't I?
I'm going to pack up.
Let's get over there. All right, buddy. Come on then. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, like that.
Cheers, buzz. Right, I kid you guys not, I've just found a dinosaur claw. But I don't know where it's gone. Where is it? It's like it's an actual dinosaur claw. There it is. Yes, good, good. That, my friends, where is it gone? Where? There. Now that, my friends, is the first dinosaur claw I've ever had. It's technically not a claw. It's more like a paw. It's a dinosaur paw, and it's still the first one I've ever had, which makes it absolutely amazing. Really, really happy with that. Just look at the definition of that paw. Oh, that is amazing. Alrighty then, we have something in the cloddage. It is indeed something stuck here in the cloddage. And I think that I can pretty much say that it's a piece of lead, and it's circular. Let's uncover it together, shall we, my friends? Let's explore yonder as one. Come on, you fool. Right, I'm gonna have to punch this piece of lead. I feel bad. I think it might just be like a washer, lead washer maybe. Ow! Good Lord, man, that hurt more than I thought it would. Ah, here we go. Oh! Oh, come on. Not even a ye olde lead ring? No, I don't think it is. Do a little bit of inspection, but if you don't see anything more from this little fella, it ain't nothing. Come and look at this. Oh my God, I don't know what this is, but look at that. Oh my God. I've got no idea what that is. I think it might be silver. It looks like it might have snapped at the top. I've got Mark here, I've just called Mark across. One sec. Okay, so Mark thinks that that's a very posh man's silver buckle. Look at that. Yeah, because as he just told me, there's a hole there and it would have gone into there. Oh God, that is beautiful. That is so cool. Yes, very, very, very happy with that. And I reckon that there is a coin of some sort, my friends. It looks more a coin than a button, doesn't it? I think I can see some sort of markings on it. Let's do this one together. And it is indeed a coin, but I think it might be a coin of nothingness, unfortunately. Yeah, it's a coin of nothingness. Oh, no way. Nah, definitely a coin of nothingness. Oh, look at that. It's a teeny tiny spaceship. It's an actual miniature spaceship. Best find ever. That's quite a nice ornate button there. It's got this like nice features around the side there, can you see? Ah, yeah, quite happy with that. You know, this field is brilliant, but we're losing so much in depth. That much in depth. 9-10 inches. Not always, you find little gaps, little flattened bits, and you kind of like head down there, but it's mostly this. But you know what, we're doing all right. Well, I'm doing all right. I'm quite happy with what I've got so far. Anyway, got a target down here. Let's see what it is. And just a little bit of tut there, sir. A bit of tut, don't you know? So Matt's found this perfectly round, very, very heavy piece of lead, but it has this bit of iron top there. So I think it's a plumb weight, a Roman plumb weight. They used lead weights like this back in the day, and it's got a little bit there, as you can see. That is a fantastic piece of history and ties in effectively to the land that we're on as well, I think. Nicely done, dude. Nice bit of history, look at that. Right, okay, so I'm with Millie, I'm with Mark, I'm with Matt.
Hello.
I'm with Luke. That was really good.
Was.
I had a really good day. How did you do?
Not too clever.
Not too clever. How did you do?
One thing that I'm quite pleased with.
You got a really cool plum weight. I'll be happy with that. You can throw it at people. Millie, what have you got?
Well, I don't really know. It's a coin of kinds. You're more expert than me.
Ooh, that's old.
It's a coin of nothingness. I think it might have been. What's that climbing up my trousers? It's what
Thomas Muck.
I call them coins of nothingness, Millie.
Might be a fun
Yeah,
one,
but
isn't
it's a disc in the field.
Yeah,
You don't know
exactly.
where.
Chances are
Where's your mushroom?
Could be a token.
And he's got a
Just a
mushroom.
Magic.
A mushroom of somethingness. It's got decoration on it.
I know, that's what I was just looking at. There's some kind of pattern on the...
That's really
Well,
weird.
yeah.
Anyway, I did well. I got my matrix seal. Really happy with that. And I got a
Silver pattern.
that silver buckle thing. It was a really, really good day. A couple of fellas come and said hello to us afterwards. Aggressively at first, but everything's sorted and everybody's like very, very friendly. It was just a mixed communication. I didn't know if people had permissions on this field. That happens quite a lot actually. People go on and go, have you got permission on here? And you go like, yes we do. Anyway, thank you for watching my friends and we'll all see you later. Say bye-bye, Millie.
Aye.